Oscar. Oscar, it's okay. Come on. Oscar. Sheba, leave it. Get it, Sheba. Get it. Crap, she's gonna make me fall. Oscar, can you play the ball, Oscar? Oscar. Play ball. Sheba. Sheba, drop it. Sheba. God, you guys have made a mess in this yard. Oscar. Oscar. Go bye-bye. Sheba. Drop it. Sheba. Don't you get my white shirt dirty with that ball? Sheba. Hey, drop it. Sheba. Leave it. Sheba. Just drop it. Oscar. Oscar's my new dog I rescued. I rescued him from this guy down the street. He fights pit bulls, and he uses smaller animals as bait for him. So I rescued Oscar from him. I called the police and then I took him. I don't know much about him except he's a dachshund. I guess he's a dachshund. That's what he looks like. Dachshund. He's still young. My vet said he's only about 6 or 7 months. Go play with the dachshund. I don't care about nobody with that ball, Sheba. Ball. Drop it. Sheba. Last name. Dog's made a mess in the yard. Well, he has to clean it up. I would have done cleaning up, but I'm sick. My mom hasn't made me clean it up. So when I feel better, I gotta clean up the yard. But these dogs tear it up. Did you tear it up, Oscar? No. Was it you, Sheba? Did you do it, Sheba? No, one of you did. Sheba, bring me the ball. No, Sheba. Sheba, no. Not that, the ball. Sheba! No. Oscar. Excuse me again.